Good evening, everyone. This is the Google Chromecast Gen 3. I had to bring it in the room because my little one's out there making noise, and the lighting in this room is just better than in the living room. We're gonna set this one up. I have the first gen, and it's been starting to give me trouble, so I don't know if it's actually my internet or this. So I chose to get this because this is cheaper than fixing my internet problem, or so I think. So we're gonna set this one up and see how it works out. Alright, I got the plastic off. I had to use the, well, I didn't have to, but I chose to use the little knife there. It's inside the box there. That's how it looks. It's not decent size. You go to HDMI port. The adapter piece. And trying to hold the camera and record with the other hand. So bear with me. Oh, there we go. And the power cord. So it goes on the other side here. And the manual. Alright, we're gonna go out there and set it up. Alright, back in this room. Once again, because of the lighting. And this room's a lot neater. Alright, so step one was to plug into power and TV. Step two, switch TV input. Step three, to set it up. Flip the page here. Oh, flip the page. It's just in, what is that? Is that Spanish? No, they don't look like Spanish. But yeah, so we're gonna go set it up now. Alright, here's the back of the TV. It's gonna be on this one here where the old one is. I'm gonna get a flashlight and shine it back there because it's kind of dim. Alright, so I want to put the light directly on it. But that third HDMI, well, I wouldn't say third, but closest one to the bottom with the light shining off of it. That's where we're gonna plug the new one. Well, for mine, I have several different HDMI ports. And also make sure your internet is up to speed. Alright, so this is how it looks once you plug it back in. Put the back side here. Okay, that's the new piece coming out. There's a little round part, and it got it plugged in to the wall right there. Let's set it up after this. Are you gonna have to download this app? We're getting set up.